Yo, listen up, here's a story about a little guy that lives in a blue world. And all day and all night and everything he sees is just blue, like him inside.
Assalamualaikum and a very good morning. Hi, my name is Siti Mara binti Rubi'i. Today, my group will show a simple yet enjoyable experience of learning about the diffusion process. In a simple words, diffusion can be easily understood in terms of three molecules. Here we have two board of solution, which is solution A, the yellow dye solution, and solution B is water. Both solution have an equal volume. You can see here potential energy is affected by the number of free molecule. The greater the number of free molecule, the higher the potential energy. Therefore, as we can see, this solution A have a greater number of free molecules, so it has a higher potential energy than the water. If we connect both of the container, what happen is the solution A, which has a higher concentration, will move to the solution B, which have the lower concentration. You can see it. Where the solution A have higher potential energy, therefore you move to the lower potential energy. Equilibrium state, where the color in both bottle in a same concentration. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Hamid Berosi, and I will be conducting for today's experiment for our mini project Mass Transfer 1, a tie-dye cloth. So before we begin, we must list down all the materials and items that we want to use. First of all, we need a clean white cloth that is made up from cotton. If we use other material, it's okay, but try to get a cotton cloth. Next, we use a dye fabric. Dye fabric have several colors. For today, we use green color, red, yellow, and also blue color. Next, we must use some rubber bands so that we can tie down the cloth to get a pattern. And lastly, we can use some newspaper or other things to cover up the table or the floor, because this experiment will get messy. So, that's just all the materials and items that we want to use. Let's get on to the experiment. Okay guys, for the first step, with the clean white cotton cloth, we must fold it into our own creativity way so that we can get a pattern. I like to do my tie-dye cloth creativity pattern like this. The dye fabric, we must first dilute them into the water. So this is the diluted dye that we have made before. Next, this is the previous cloth that we have tied. So this is the part where we spilled some of the color onto the cloth. So let's get on with the fun part. So we start with the red color first. Put it in the middle. Okay guys, now we have to do is wait for 10 minutes to let it soak in the color so that it diffuse all over the cloth. Okay. This is the result of our tie-dye pattern cloth. So as we can see here, if you can zoom in, come on over here. So the diffusion process works like a masterpiece over here. The red color from a high concentration go to the lower concentration over here. As you can see, it blends into the white and merge with the yellow color. So as you can see, this one is much more higher concentrate than this part of the region. So that is a diffusion process.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you